Emergencies and disasters can strike quickly and without warning. You can cope with disaster by preparing in advance and by working with your family as a team. Follow these steps to be prepared. Step 1. Get informed. Find out how local authorities will warn you of a pending disaster and how they will provide information to you during and after a disaster. Learn about NOAA Weather Radio and its alerting capabilities at www.noaa.gov. Step 2. Make a plan. Be sure everyone in your family knows the best escape routes out of your home, as well as where those safe places are. The chosen room should have no glass doors or windows that could break in high winds. Usually, in an apartment, this is an interior bedroom, bathroom, hall, or closet without windows and no outside walls. Practice emergency evacuation drills at least 2 times a year, or as often as you update your escape plan. Make sure your plan also includes important contact information. Step 3. Assemble a kit. Every household should assemble a disaster supplies kit and keep it up to date. A disaster supplies kit is a collection of basic items a family might need to stay safe and be more comfortable during and after a disaster. Disaster supplies kit items should be stored in a portable container as close as possible to the exit door. Step 4. Maintain your plan and kit. Review your plan every 6 months and quiz your family about what to do. Conduct fire and emergency evacuation drills on a regular basis with your family. Test your smoke alarms monthly and change the batteries at least once a year. Check food supplies for expiration dates and discard or replace stored water and food every 6 months. Knowing what to do is your best protection and you and your family's responsibility.